Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So we landed Ghana. So from there to cover the Mining in Motion Summit hosted by the government of Ghana and Ashanti Kingdom. So the program went well. Arriving Ghana is just like coming back to Lagos, and everything was so nice. We enjoyed ourselves in Ghana, though we work. We are there to work. So for the past 5 days we are there to work, and everything went well. So I'll be giving you the summary of how the first day, the second day went of the summit. So please don't forget to subscribe, like and share. So these are just the new cities, see infrastructures. Everywhere is calm. Ghana is developing, and it's so nice to come back to Ghana again. So it's nice. I enjoy myself. I was able to see good food to eat. So it's just like coming to Lagos again. So don't forget to once again subscribe, like and share.